Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is synthetic fiber and plastics. You know that nature has given so many things to us, and among those things, one thing is fiber. The natural fiber may be animal fiber and the plant fiber. You know that we get the wool, silk from the animals, wool from the sheep, yak, etc., and silk from silkworm. And when we talk about the plant fiber, cotton is there, jute is there, so many are there which we get it from the plants. So nowadays, with these cotton fibers and wool fiber, there are some other fiber which are very much popular. And these fibers are called the synthetic fiber or man-made fiber. The common example of synthetic fiber and the man-made fiber are rayon, nylon, polyester, so many things. There are so many things nowadays which are made from the various chemicals. And these chemicals are responsible for making the different types of synthetic fiber and plastics. A very important thing I have written here, that all synthetic fiber and plastics are polymer. First of all, we will discuss this word polymer today. Now, what is the meaning of polymer? Polymer are the heavy mass, long chain molecule which are made up of monomers. Now, you must know what is monomer. Monomer is consist of two words, mono and mer. The meaning of mono is single and the mer is unit. So what is a monomer? A substance having single unit structure is called monomer. And what is polymer? When poly means many, as you know, and mer means molecule or unit. The mer is called unit or molecule. When so many substance, so many single unit combine together, they form a substance which is of heavy mass, that is called the polymer. So what is polymer? A substance made up of many units, or the substance which is made up of monomer is called the polymer. So what are polymers? The polymers are the molecules, heavy molecules which is having heavy molecular mass, which is made up of long chain, which are made up of monomers. We can write anything. They are called polymer. Now I have given an example over here. Suppose this A is a single unit or a single molecule. A जो मैंने यहाँ लिखा है एक single molecule है. यहाँ मैंने small n लिखा है. What is the meaning of small n over here? Small n का मतलब है number of various, बहुत सारे A molecule हैं. Number of A molecules when undergo the process of polymerization. You must know what is the polymerization. The polymerization is a process by which monomer convert into the polymer. जब मोनोमर कन्वर्ट हो जाता है पॉलीमर में, that is called the polymerization. The name of the process is called polymerization. The polymerization undergoes by different temperature and pressure conditions. Now, this A molecule, number of A molecule undergo the process of polymerization and they form polymer. You have seen here, I have make a chain of the molecule. This type of polymer, when the linear chain, single chain is there, is called the linear chain polymer. They are called linear chain polymer. Here I have written N. What is the meaning of N here? N means the chain may be very long. बहुत सारे molecule join हो सकते हैं इस linear chain में. That's why here N. Now the arrangement of the chain may be like this. जो चेन है, जो मॉलिक्यूल है, वो इस तरह से भी ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं. दे मे बी ब्रांच, वो ब्रांच हो सकते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ पॉलीमर इज कॉल्ड द ब्रांच चेन पॉलीमर और द क्रॉस चेन पॉलीमर. सो now I know you are able to understand the things what is monomer and what are polymer. You can take the very common example of plastics, that is polythene. Very common name nowadays used by us, polythene. Polythene is the plastic which is made by the ethene monomer. When this ethene monomer undergo the process of polymerization, it forms the polymer polythene. One more example of plastic, that is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is the monomer. When this vinyl chloride undergo the process of polymerization, it forms PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Almost whenever the name of the polymer is written, we write the word poly before the name of monomer. Like polythene is there, the monomer is ethene and the polymer is polythene. When vinyl chloride is there, vinyl chloride is monomer and PVC polyvinyl chloride is polymer. Now this is about the monomer and polymer. See here beta, if I want to take this example, if this is a single bead, अगर आप इस single bead को लेते हैं, this single bead is a monomer, but when all these beads are combined, they form a linear chain polymer. So this is the difference between monomer and polymer. The molecules are joined by the bonds. You can see this is the bond. इसके बीच में जो ये necklace है, जो long chain polymer है, इसके बीच में जो thread है, that is the bond by which the molecules are joined. So in this way, the monomer and polymers are there. From the monomers, the polymers are formed. So beta ji, I am giving the questions and notes to you. I am sending the notes. You will understand, you will read the notes and you will write the question answer from the notes. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless.